Hello friends, today we will learn how to make extrude in Revit. So here there is one residential bungalow is there and one of window I have extruded from the wall. So how I have extruded this wall I am going to show you this in this tutorial. So let's first I am deleting this object so you can learn. Now I am going to delete this extruded object. Yeah, I have deleted. Now I am going to construct this extrusion. So for that first I have to go in this architecture and then I have to click on component. In component there is one option called model in place. Now I have clicked on model in place. Yeah, save the project. Yeah, when I click on model in place, then this pop-up bar is opened. Okay, so in pop-up bar there is window option is there. As I have to extrude windows, I have click on windows and now give the family name like windows, whatever you want to give name, just you give name. Now after giving this name there is extrusion option is there, extrusion, blend, revolve, sweep, what options are there. Now I am clicking on extrusion object. Now I have clicked on extrusion. Now I have to set the plane on which plane I have to extrude. So pick a plane from desk only. I have taken this as a plane. Okay, now select rectangular. As you can select line, you can select circle, whatever you want to draw. Here I have to draw a rectangular, so I have selected as a rectangular. Now in rectangular you make one boundary wall surrounding this rectangular surface. So I have taken this rectangular and then so I have selected this rectangular and now I will make a rectangular to this window. Okay, now I have done. Now make another rectangular surrounding this existing rectangular. This rectangular I have done. Now give the depth, what depth you are giving to extrusion. Okay, here I am giving as a 9 inch and you can give the offset also. Say here offset, let's I give 6 inch. Okay, so now I have given the depth and offset both. Click on OK button. When you click in OK, this extrusion is completed. So now you can extend this surface like by dragging this. You can also go in front side. Here we will go on front side. Now in front side you can see this is our window. You can extend this surface by clicking on this. You can further extend this by clicking on this. So whatever you want to extend, up to which length and width you can extend. Same you can see in 3D also. So this is done. Now click on finish. When you click on finish, it's completed. Now you can see that how windows is extruded. Same thing you can extrude this door, you can extrude this window, whatever you want to extrude. So hope you like this video. You can see such Revit's video in my YouTube link. Please like it and subscribe my YouTube channel. I will show you another step by step how we have constructed this bungalows, this residential plan, and all the Revit steps are shown step by step. Thank you very much.